That's an ugly bird. The common porwheel. Look at it.
Might be a little watery, but here you go.
Oh, good.
Good morning. We're out here in Gifford Pinchot National Forest, which is
Gifford Pinchot.
Gifford Pinchot. Gifford Pinchot. We don't really come out here that often, but you know, it's actually fairly close to us in Portland. Came out here last night, got set up a little late, and didn't really do much filming because it was dark. Because there's a lot of snow up in the mountains still, we came to a little bit of a lower elevation spot, and there was a lot of people out on the creek down there.
A lot.
A whole lot. So we found this like little hunter's camp. You can see there's like this little structure
With IKEA rugs.
a bunch of rugs on the ground. But we're out here for another night, and we're just gonna go exploring around and check out Gifford Pinchot because this is a national forest we haven't really explored very much. Cheers. It feels fantastic to be sitting outside in a normal temperature. It's probably like 75 degrees right now. Feels absolutely amazing. I have missed this. To be honest, we really didn't do a whole lot of winter camping this year. I'm a little disappointed in ourselves for that, but we had a lot of stuff going on this winter, so it is what it is. What you making?
Oh! The bread. So a breakfast sandwich? Could have said that in a much briefer way, but whatever. Whatever. Good?
Perfect. Usually I'm the one making breakfast sandwiches.
Not today.
How do you like your creation?
Subpar. It's good. The bacon grease fried onions are very tasty.
Yeah, damn, this is nice. Well, of course there's always a better campsite just down the road.
Always.
Nice little creek. We were pretty tired last night. It was like 9:30 when we were driving, and we found something and stopped. But another spot to keep on the map, probably come back. Beautiful little creek. Love it. We're gonna go check out a waterfall. Might have to head back into town and grab some propane and gas And who knows, we might come back to this spot. We'll see. Or we might just keep exploring, see what else is out there. Cooper decided to hop in the creek.
Come here.
Didn't ya?
Yeah.
Didn't you little turd?
Yeah, I can't. You're getting sprayed on pretty hard, huh?
Hey,
Propane and propane accessories. Bye. So, there's a spot we want to check out up here, but nobody is coming up here. We kept passing cars coming down because of this. Which isn't a huge deal because we have a chainsaw.
all right.
Yeah. You want me to what?
Yeah, I want you to help me.
Oh, I can't. My wrist. So dainty. I'll help him. Little problem. We cut down that first tree out of the way. We have 1, 2, 3 more trees that we need to cut, at least within our sight. So Winston walked a little bit to see if it's worth dealing with.
Well, I'd picked out this little road to go check out, but unfortunately it looks like the Forest Service hasn't got to clearing it yet. Started clearing a little bit of the first tree we saw and walked past it, and there's like probably 5 or 6 more that I can see, so not really worth it at the moment. So
No, I want to chill.
yeah, I want to chill too, so let's go find a spot to chill. Well, we're back at the spot we found earlier this morning. We went and did a little exploring, and like you saw, there was some down trees, and Kim just keeps littering. Stop littering. And we knew there was a little creek here. We're not like full swimming because all the creeks up here right now are snow melt, so it's freezing cold. So
we wanted to come bask in the sun, which is why we chose this.
Gonna dip our feet in the creek and enjoy it. We got some nice big trees up here too. Gifford Pinchot is truly beautiful. I'm excited to do a little more exploring up here. The snow up higher elevation is still pretty high, so don't really want to get into any nasty, slushy spring snow right now, so we're just kicking it down at the lower elevations, and I'm not mad about it. This is a good spot. I'm into it. something country. Oh, what you got here?
Charcuterie.
Charcuterie. Who's Terry?
Your mother.
All right. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
He's gonna rip it. Oh! He almost caught it.
Come on, bud.
Come on. We have.
I got 3. Damn it. I'm not taking it.
Yeah, you're right. Unless you pull the forest right.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, you're a loser. You're a big fat loser.
We're having a strange experience.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're camping on top of a troll.
Every, like, I don't know,
Half an hour?
20, 30 minutes or so, we hear this really low grumbling, and it shakes the ground.
Yeah, we can feel it under our feet.
There it goes
It is.
again.
That one I didn't feel under our
Yeah.
feet this time.
And we're not quite sure what it is.
And it's clear
There-
skies. It's not thunder.
There's a forest road up the hill here, and there's a couple of roads up the hill that are literally right there. So
But we don't understand how we would feel that. Like we just started feeling it under our feet. Like it's getting closer, and I don't understand how the forest road up the mountain we would feel vibrations under our feet occasionally from.
don't know yet. Maybe we'll solve the mystery. Maybe we won't. And
But
it's
if we don't,
kind of strange.
we're camping on top of a troll.
And we're gonna have some burgers tonight.
Top of a troll.
Gonna have some burgers on top of a troll. We've been a little lazy with camp food lately, but we also haven't been camping very much lately, and burgers are just a classic camp food, obviously. So, we're gonna have some burgers. I finally got my carbon steel pan a little seasoned up better here. Last time you saw us, I was cooking burgers on it as well. Just sort of funny. I like carbon steel. I like cast iron better, but carbon steel is lighter and easier. Not easier to use, it's kind of about the same to use, but it's lighter and fits in here easier. And I can remove this handle. Would you look at that? That's nice. I just made the worst burgers I think I've possibly ever made in my life.
Wife didn't think they were that bad.
Kim liked them. I didn't. They were bad. I bought those.
Chop this or-
That's fine. I bought those stupid pre-made patties. Never do that. You gotta make your own patties, man. You gotta
There's
form
no
your own
eggs. They don't
patties.
hold together.
It doesn't even matter if you have egg. It's just about crafting your own patties. And when the store makes it for you, it's not as good.
It ain't right.
I overcooked it. Forgot to season some of them. This is just bad all around. I didn't show you the end product because it's just bad. Bad. terrible. Disappointed in myself.
Well, I guess you could officially call it Winston's Not Very Good Cooking Show.
Winston's Not Very Good Cooking Show.
Not good at all cooking show.
Winston's absolutely terrible cooking show. 9 o'clock on the dot. And it's still light outside. Just lovely. Only a few months ago I was complaining about 5 o'clock and it being completely dark. We've been absolutely chilling today. We got to this camp around like 2:30, 3 o'clock. Well, we're pretty tired, so I think we might be hitting the hay here pretty soon.
You know what they call this kind of fire? Hungarian crab hut.
Not your best one.
Czechoslovakian beach chalet. Romanian roundhouse.
Yeah, there we go. Romanian roundhouse. This is a Romanian roundhouse.
I liked Czechoslovakian beach chalet, but this is me.
All right. Good night.
Good night. Oh, we're already gonna get wet? Okay. All right. I'm ready.
Good morning. We woke up this morning. There's no landslide or
Troll's not awake yet.
Troll's not awake, or he's waking up.
Yeah, it seems to be happening frequently.
Yeah. Not really sure. I wish I could get this sound on camera because it's the strangest thing we've ever heard sitting outside. It's like somebody moving furniture
In the unit above you.
Yeah.
That's what it sounds like.
And my hypothesis is there's this tree right here that is it looks like somebody tried to cut it down, but it's not fully cut down, but it's leaning against like 2 or 3 other trees. So I don't know if it's like the wind pushing it against them and then they're rubbing and like everything's kind of rumbling.
But we can feel it so well in the ground. I don't know about that because that seems unlikely because we've been near widow makers like that are leaning on other trees, and I've never heard anything like that in my life. I said maybe the ground was thawing because it was recently very cold and a lot of snow, so maybe it could be that. I don't know. We have no idea.
We have no idea. But it's really strange, and I hope I can catch it on camera because I'd love to know what this is. And maybe one of you fine folks could tell me what it is. Yeah, I'm stumped. Stuff that happens like at night that I think would be cool to check out. I mean, I think there is some really great food in Portland.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, thank you. You know, I think it's pretty cool that we can say that we camped on top of a troll. I really don't know anybody that can say that they camped on top of a troll and survived the experience. especially with all the commotion of Cooper splashing in the water and us having a raging fire for absolutely no reason besides the fact that it was fun, and playing country music all night. Although the sounds of the country music kind of seem to correlate with more mystery troll sounds. So I feel like maybe the troll doesn't like country music, which is kind of unfortunate because I feel like the troll's missing out on this whole genre of music. I mean, who doesn't like Alan Jackson?
All right, what's the final rating for the weekend?
I think I would give it like I would say that I want to give it, without considering the troll, I want to give it like a 1.6, maybe a 1.7. It was really nice to be by that creek.
Do you think we'll ever have a 2 out of 2?
Well, that's what I'm getting to. I want to give it a 2 because we survived sleeping on top of the troll. You know, I think we will have a 2 out of 2, but we just haven't found it yet. We've gotten close. I think we've had some 1.8s, some 1.9s, but a 2 out of 2, I mean, it's got to be glorious. Magnificent.
Well, there you have it. All right, well, we're heading home. Thanks for hanging with us. Good to see you.
Goodbye.
Have a lovely day. Goodbye.